In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix WhatsApp call transfer not working. First thing you have to do is check for app update, launch App Store or Play Store, search for WhatsApp. Now, if you see the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. New features including call transfer are only available in the latest supported versions of the app. Next, if your app is already updated, make sure both devices meet the basic requirements. Verify that both phones are using the same phone number if you are transferring your WhatsApp data, and ensure they are connected to the same local Wi-Fi network with Bluetooth turned on. These connections are required for a successful device-to-device transfer. If you are connected to VPN, disable it. Next, clear cache for the WhatsApp, so launch settings, go to General, go to the option iPhone Storage. From the list of apps, find WhatsApp and launch it. Now click on Offload app, confirm it, then click on Reinstall app. Another helpful step is to restart both devices. Turn off your old and new phones completely, wait about 30 seconds and then turn them back on. This clears temporary system data and can fix minor software glitches. If the call transfer feature is still not working, back up your WhatsApp chats to Google Drive or iCloud. Once the backup is complete, uninstall WhatsApp, reinstall it from official app store, sign back into your account and check whether the feature is working properly. Also remember that WhatsApp often rolls out new features gradually. Even if your app is fully updated, the call transfer feature may not be available for every account immediately. In that case, you'll need to wait until WhatsApp enables it for your account. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.